Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to fix live transcribe not working on this device. So first of all, you need to check the internet connection whether it is working properly or not. Otherwise, you need to install the application from the Play Store. Simply go to the Play Store, just search live transcribe and sound. Then you will get the application. You need to install this one. I already installed this. Is an inbuilt application. Already installed in this device. And you need to enable the microphone permission on this application, and also you need to update if is there any updates are available. You need to update the software, and just you need to restart your phone also. If the live transcribe stops working or does not detect speech, these quick settings fixes can solve the problem easily. So simply in this way we can fix the live transcribe is not working properly. Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.